Okay, so we're here with Lewis. He's just been through our 6-week challenge, transformation challenge. He's going to enlighten you in what he's achieved in that amount of time and his starting point of where he was at. So, Lewis, do you want to just give us a bit of an overview of where you were at when you first came to see me?
Well, obviously I was overweight. I started it, was it 16.2?
Somewhere around there, yeah.
I felt very lethargic, very tired all the time. I knew I was carrying weight about. I come down after I seen a little advertisement on Facebook, and the rest has gone from there, really. So.
And now you're stuck with us forever. And do you want to just tell people a bit about the process and the system that we use? Because I think people often worry that when they're undertaking anything like this, that they're going to go into a heavily restrictive program and really intense amounts of training.
And to be honest, it's been absolutely fantastic. It's been very easy to follow. You guys give us all the help that anyone could need. I always thought I would never go to a gym. I was absolutely dreading diets and things like that because I thought I couldn't handle it.
Yeah.
And to be honest, I actually ate more food than I used to.
Yeah.
But I was eating the right kind of foods.
But I think that's what you find though when you start these programs. My biggest problem I think people find is too much food.
Too much food, yeah. I think I actually did ring you, Nick, and actually say, "Are you sure I'm on the right plan?"
Yeah.
It just seemed too much. But no, it was so easy, and the guidance that you guys give, and at the end of the day, the training is only 3 sessions a week. It's you get in, you do what you've got to do, and then leave again. And the way that the times are set up, there's so many times that you can come down. It's just it just makes life really easy.
Flexibility is key, I think,
massive,
for people like this. Yeah. And then what I want to do is get you just to tell them a bit about where you're at now with everything, how you're feeling overall, body, mentally, physically, as an overall whole.
Well, yeah, I mean, the first thing I found was I'm more awake. I feel more alive than I ever did. It's just amazing. I could sleep the clock round and still struggle getting up in the morning. Now I'm wide awake, 5 o'clock in the morning, most mornings, wide awake, raring to go. So I have noticed how much difference that has been. And body-wise, obviously, I've lost a good couple of stone, probably, I don't know, where am I at now, 14 bang on?
Yeah, 13 kilos down, about 26 pounds, 27 pounds.
I mean, that itself is very noticeable. A lot of people have noticed how much weight I've lost, and which gives you confidence as well, because when people start noticing. It's cost me a bit of money because I'm going to have to change clothes. But it's for a good reason. I'd rather be changing clothes for going down a couple of sizes than doing what I was doing and going up. And it's just been absolutely amazing. And it's not difficult, it really isn't. It's as long as you put your mind to it and listen to the advice you're given, anyone can do it.
Good. That's what I want to hear. And is there any one thing or one word you'd use to describe us if you were going to describe us to anyone?
One word.
Not evil though.
I'd just say friendly.
Okay.
Yeah, because everybody is just amazing. All the trainers, including yourself, Nick. You're all really friendly, supportive. All the other people that come to the gym, everyone's happy. There's no miserable people. Everyone gives you the time of day, and it's really good. It's like a little community, and it's really, really, really good.
Awesome, mate. Thanks a lot for that. Well done, Lewis.